Fix DUser.dll is missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Repair damaged system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 2. Install the latest updates. Fix 3. Perform system restore. System restore can return your OS to a time when the problem did not exist. Pick the time when the problem did not exist and click Next. Finalize the process, your PC will restart. Fix 4. Reset Windows.